Hello everyone! Welcome back to the channel. In the last video, Emma and Alex met in the park and talked about their daily life. They also made a small plan to watch a movie together. Today is that day. In this video, you will listen to a real-life conversation at the cinema. The English is simple, but a little more natural and slightly more advanced than before. Try to understand the main idea, not every word. And most importantly, relax and enjoy the story.
Hey, Emma.
Hey, Alex.
Right on time.
I didn't want to keep you waiting.
Don't worry, I just got here. Have you been to this cinema before?
No, it's my first time here.
It's pretty quiet, which is nice.
Yeah, I prefer places like this.
So, what are you in the mood for?
Something light and easy to follow.
Yeah, I was thinking the same. Maybe a comedy?
Or something with a simple story.
What about this one? A Day in the City.
Let me see. It looks interesting.
The reviews say it's easy to understand.
That sounds perfect.
Do you usually watch movies with subtitles?
Yeah, most of the time.
Same here. It really helps me follow the story.
Especially when they speak fast or use new words.
Exactly. Sometimes I recognize the word, but I don't catch it in real time.
Yes, that happens to me too.
2 tickets, please.
Sure. Which seats would you like?
Somewhere in the middle would be nice.
Yeah, that's a good view.
All right, 2 seats in the middle. That will be $20.
Here you go.
Thank you. Enjoy the movie.
Do you want anything?
Maybe just water?
No popcorn?
Maybe a small one.
All right, let's get it together.
Yeah, good idea.
What do you want exactly?
Just water and a small popcorn.
Okay, let's order. Hi, can we get 1 small popcorn and 1 bottle of water?
Sure. Anything else?
That's all.
Okay, that will be $8.
Here you go.
Thank you. Here you go.
Let's go inside.
Yeah, let's go.
These seats are good.
Yeah, we have a nice view.
Here's your water
Thank you.
and the popcorn.
Perfect.
I'm glad we bought it before.
Yeah, no need to miss the beginning.
It's starting.
Finally.
Let's see how much we understand.
Yeah, this'll be interesting. Wait, what did he just say?
I think he said something like, I didn't expect that to happen.
Oh, okay, that was fast.
Yeah, they speak pretty naturally.
And sometimes they don't pronounce every word clearly.
Exactly.
But the subtitles help a lot.
Definitely. Do you understand what's happening in the story?
Mostly, yes.
So the main character just moved to the city, right?
Yeah, and he's trying to find a new job.
And he looks a bit confused all the time.
True, but also kind of funny.
I like his personality. He seems honest.
Yeah, and a bit awkward.
That makes him more realistic.
Exactly.
What about the girl in the movie?
She seems confident.
Yeah, and she speaks very clearly.
That actually helps us understand better.
I noticed that too. Do you think they will become friends?
Probably, or maybe more than friends. We'll see.
That was actually really good.
Yeah, I enjoyed it.
It was easier than I expected.
Same here.
I didn't understand everything, but I got the main idea.
That's the most important thing.
Thanks for coming with me.
Of course, I had a great time.
Me too. Watching movies like this is really helpful,
Yeah, it feels like real English.
and it's more fun than studying from a book.
Definitely.
Next time we can try something a bit more challenging,
Like a faster movie?
or maybe without subtitles.
That sounds difficult, but also interesting. Yeah, I think I want to try.
All right, let's do it.
Deal.
Now, here's a question for you. Did Emma and Alex understand everything in the movie, or just the main idea? Write your answer in the comments. Also, think about yourself. Do you prefer watching movies with subtitles or without them? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Your support really helps us create more videos like this. See you in the next episode.